Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Mi 10T and let me show you how to virus scan your device. So actually all you have to do is simply open the security app and tap on the security scan. Here we've got the warning, so let's tap on update. As you can see, the security scan has been updated successfully and now it just scanned the whole device. As you can see, this device is clean and free from any malware, but if you will have any viruses, they will appear right here and your device will help you to get rid of them. So actually that's all. This is how to virus scan your Xiaomi Mi 10T. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.